G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. It is springtime here in Australia and I've created a brand new salsa recipe. This is my spring Mediterranean salsa dip, so I hope you enjoy it. Now today I'm using the Vitamix Ascent A3500i and I've got the addition of the 1.4 litre wet container on here. This is my favorite container size to use. It's perfect for making dips, salsas, smaller ice creams and nut butters. Okay, so firstly I'm going to use some cherry tomatoes. Now I'm using some mixed cherry tomatoes. You can use Roma tomatoes, any ordinary tomato. I'm going to put in 2 cups. I'm just going to use 1 cup of mixed olives. Once again, you can use any type of olives you like, as long as they're pitted. You don't want to put those in here. I'm going to add in half a red capsicum and I've chopped that. It's just going to make it a little bit easier because I'm only going to blend this on a slow speed, so I don't want any really big chunks in there. 2 tablespoons of spring onion. Once again, I've chopped that up. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of capers. This isn't going to be for everybody. You don't have to put it in if you don't want to. I love capers, so I'm definitely going to put that in. I'm going to add that nice salty flavor or Mediterranean flavor. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'm just using minced garlic. You can use the whole clove if you like, but just once again, because I'm going to have it on that slow speed, I want it a bit finer. I've got 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. This is optional. I've got 1 jalapeno and I have removed the seeds. Always make sure you wash your hands thoroughly after you remove the seeds and don't wipe your fingers in your eyeballs like I did a few minutes ago because it really burns. All right, so put that in. Just the juice of half a lime. Nice flavor. I'm just going to add some fresh herbs as well. I've got a little bit of dill here, some beautiful fresh dill. I love that. Just a little bit of coriander, in it goes. I've also got some dried Italian herbs, just a little bit of added flavor. And last but not least, a little bit of salt and pepper, just to season it. I'm just going to lock our lid into place and be sure to use the tamper. And I'm going to keep it at about speed 1 or 2. Just for 10 to 20 seconds, basically just until I've chopped all those tomatoes. I don't want to turn it into a mush, I just want to slightly chop it all. Okay, so here we go. That is done. That smells so good. All those beautiful fresh flavors. Look at that, how good does that look? I'm just gonna pour that out into a bowl. Look at that, that looks so delicious. All those fresh flavors. I've still got a couple of whole little tomatoes in there. Doesn't matter, just gives it a little bit of extra presentation there. Little olive there. Okay, let's try some. Kick of the jalapeno, it's definitely there. And the flavor of the lime. Capers, the olives. I really love this recipe. I hope you do too. Happy blending.